Welcome guys on my YouTube channel. Today we are showing some special thing for me and talk about one very important topic. Men inspired me for this project. More recent news about men attitude towards women. First news is one man calls dark-skinned woman a monkey. Or rather, monkey, let's take a picture, I'll send it to my wife. The problem of racism in my country is acute. I live next to Asian region in my country, and to call people like churka, узкоглазый, черножопый, it means black ass, is an ordinary. I have never encountered racism just because I have Slavic appearance. But I know how hard is life for people of small nations. You can't rent a house because you are not Slavic. You get ridiculed at school. You can't get a job because they think you are dumb, etc. In this story, the courage of a girl who recorded a real monkey on a video is amazing. And as a bonus, he was convicted of rape. Next story from wedding. The groom hit on her the bride. She won him in the wedding contest. The scary thing is that there is no reactions from guests or relatives on the video. And the groom straightened his shoulders as he defeated a huge man. The family has not already become, but violence is already. When I was a child, the husband of my aunt came from Afghanistan war, and when he got drunk, he beat my aunt and my cousin. Find family whenever being violence is something impossible. Third news is mine. I got off the bus and one man was walking towards me. Passing by mine, he grabbed my ass. When I wrote this story in my Instagram, some people wrote me, "Oh, come on, he just likes you." What? After that, I feel myself unprotected. This is also violence. He told by his act, be afraid. One man wrote me, "Of course you provoked him with your appearance. What did you wear that day?" I wore this look. This is not about appearance. Hope you understand the desire to control women's appearance, women's life exists in men, that women continue to serve men's society. Not all men, but you asked me what did I wear. Final news is very scary. The girl was walking from the party in a dress, yes, in a short at home, as one car began to horn her. She ignored it, then screams from the car followed. She asked to stop, but they didn't. Then she showed the fuck. Then the insulted man ran out to grab the girl and started beating her head against the car. Only when she lost consciousness did they leave her and drove away. So two men beat one young girl. Love it. When this girl told the story in Instagram, she got so much hate from men. I wrote this girl to support her, and I suggest her to send my clothes to her. She agreed and tell about this in her stories. So, can you guess what could happen after my suggestion? Maybe some men wrote that they will help this girl to find these criminal elements. No, just man wrote me he was beaten by two men from a car and I should send him some clothes. You try to think that not every man are bad, but they prove otherwise. So, show woman fuck if a woman showed it before? No, you are not real man. Come on. For this, you should beat her. If you don't do this, you are just cuckold, not a real man. Interesting fact, some man wrote this girl that they are also afraid to walk alone a dark street. As you see in these 4 stories, also is my story. And it was happened during 2 days last week. And this is not only one violence in my life. So draw your own conclusion.